Oh, last thing to remember, quad group healers. Let's keep really good, really tight sacred coverage on point. That's one thing I forgot to mention from the attack. We didn't have, our sacreds were too spread out, partially because our quad groups were too spread out. So keep these sacreds nice and tight to point. Let's have good sacred coverage. Okay, push out and meet them, push out and meet them. This is a map where they start pretty close, so they're gonna...
I'm gonna play up a little bit on Bond. Bond's heavy.
Yeah.
I got a grab on it.
Passing it.
Spinning. Shocking on Bond. Shocking on Bond. Popping out.
I'm
in tunes.
Yeah, they're heavy. They're heavy this bottom right.
Healers on point right now. Their healers are trying to split the difference on point.
Spawns in 5.
Quad groups tighten it up a little bit. Quad
I got it.
And healers keep those sacreds closer to point.
They just overran bottom right.
Right now, we gotta get these sacreds tighter on point. We need 5, 6 sacreds on point at all times. We need much tighter.
Not on respawn.
Trying to get some sacreds on point.
Big clump, top of point. Here we go. If you got abilities, crash top of point in 3, 2.
They're heavy
out
here.
Top left. Here, get kills. Top left.
Respawn now.
Then go.
We got a lot of people playing bottom right.
I'm 50 out.
Quad groups, I need you to play higher point. They got a solid.
Good
They got a solid
Leroy.
pin groups playing real tight on point here.
DE Eckerd.
Alright, I'm on Eckerd. Shocking on Eckerd. Alright.
I'm with you now.
Grab on Leroy.
Spinning.
In out.
Walls right here. Right on top of you.
Sacred right here for us.
Maya Blue. Orb.
That's their.
I have
that's
dead.
their thing.
There we go. Good job.
DE
We got good control.
Leroy.
He's running wild in the backline. We got a flamethrower kind of running wild in the backline. We can control it.
Yeah,
On ping on this backline.
Alright, I'm coming to look at you.
DE
I got my grab. I have my dead.
My
Same.
Leroy.
I'm gonna grab this. I dead it.
One.
Right,
ice
deading
right
it.
there.
Spinning. Shocking.
Sacred Leroy.
Brill. He can die.
Blue.
Flattening real.
DE
We got a clump top right for
Leroy.
me. Top right. 5, 4.
Heavy
Bro,
on
he
real.
can-
Heavy on real.
2.
Heavy.
Good.
We're gonna push up a little
Look
bit.
at Bond. Look at Bond. Poppy flow.
Poppy flow.
He's out. Look at DJ. He can die.
Yeah, that healer has been playing. He played on point last time too.
Alright, DJ died.
Nice.
I'm gonna rotate towards the bottom.
Alright, look at bottom left. Grabbing it. Spinning.
DE Leroy.
Grabbing late.
Shocking it.
I'm just gonna. My ice is behind it.
Sacred Leroy.
I'm shocking for us now.
I'm out.
Let's default the top bomb right again.
Yeah.
I'm dead here. I'm playing life.
Cooldown 2, DE 2.
I'll have grabbed that in 5.
Sacred not.
I need about 5 or 6 seconds.
There's still a healer.
Shocking you out, right?
I'm shocking again.
DE Leroy.
Everything I
Alright,
have.
LMAO. Alright, he's out.
Alright, I've got everything called for it.
Alright,
Sacred's up.
Heavy on
look
point.
at
Where you guys
bottom
at
right.
on your deaths?
Nope. Bottom right. They spread out. I'm shocking it.
I'll
shock it.
Both of our deaths are up.
DE
Both your
not.
deaths are up.
Look at Bond.
Yeah, I'm passing Bond.
Coming here.
Sacred
Indigo. He's out.
Bot left.
Bot left.
Get out of there. They're
Talking bot.
They're crashing.
I got Bonds. Yeah, I just got
I'm out.
Late to that fight.
DE not.
Thank you.
My ice is
I'm shocking with
Bond
you.
side right
Bottom
now.
right. Yep.
Bonfire's at a general street right now. Big clump on left hand side.
Yeah, Bonfire is pretty free, but bottom left still looks pretty heavy.
Alright, I'm gonna go bottom left and get a spin.
I got a guy on me. I need help.
He's calling for spike on bottom left.
Alright, I'm grab deading.
Yep, got that.
Never mind, I don't have dead. I'm
Like
spinning.
middle dead.
Shocking it.
Big
Magneto, he's
Vino.
low.
Leroy.
I'm out.
He wants feet on point
Sacred not.
from us. I'm dead.
There.
I'm dead. That was bad.
Yeah, they're heavy bottom point.
Yeah, we should be try to rotate maybe the top point. Actually, it looks
Yeah.
like
DE not.
Spawns in.
they're our
2.
road right now.
Sacred not.
I'm shocking bottom point.
Stream.
I'm stuck in this. I'm out.
I Save myself.
Speed on point. Get out.
Yeah, I'm just
down.
gonna grab that. I'm spinning.
Yeah, just get out of there.
Don't die.
We got it. We got it.
Don't
They
let them
took it.
snowball. Don't let them snowball.
Yeah.
Get this.
We
Get
lost
this.
Don't have, hey,
healers right
we
there.
don't have healer. We don't have healer.
Respawns go straight to C. Respawns go straight to C. We need to establish control of Oppo.
I'm gonna get my ice up.
7R
in inner
road.
lane.
7R road. 8-9 and blunders in Oppo.
My ice is
Running
up
right
over
to
there.
point.
They're running right past them straight to
And,
point.
ramparts.
So just be careful.
They are.
We're bot right again.
Yeah.
An Avo.
Watch bottom ramparts. They're fighting
They're
there.
heavy bot right.
Yep.
Oh, I'm gonna
Shocking on this.
Orb.
No
No
healer.
healer, play life.
Yeah, play life. Just play off point.
Every bruiser basically touching the edge of the point.
Dead.
We can't be going way off point.
I'm gonna die here.
Top over here.
I get something.
Spawns up in 10.
Bottom left. We got a small group forming. Bottom left. Get
Respawn in 8.
Get these kills bottom left. Secure these kills.
I just died.
Respawn now.
Instant respawn.
Scatter,
I'm
they're
gonna buy
trying to
anyway.
burst us. Scatter. Burst. Okay, now play the edges. Get kills left side. Here we go. Counter crash at left side. Get kills.
I'm going right to bottom right.
Scatter, but keep feet on point. You gotta keep presence on point. You gotta scatter, but keep presence at the same time.
Take a shot to road.
There we go.
Yeah, they got healers on bottom right of point.
All quad groups have to play feet on point on the edges. Not on the flag.
edges.
We've gotta have edges. If we don't control the edges of the point, they are gonna
Yeah, look at bottom right. I'm gonna grab bottom right right now.
Sacred knot.
Spinning.
The marina.
top of point.
They're heavy in our back
I'm
right.
gonna be
I
on
don't know if anybody
point.
can comment me,
I'm
but we need somebody to heal and go to that bot. We have way too many
Sacred
people on
knot.
top right now.
Trying to get out.
Their entire army
Leroy.
is up top.
Top left.
Healers are top right.
Our road is very heavy.
You know, respawn. He's just calling. He just called 8 and 9 for our road. Respawn in 2.
Yeah, I tried to comment me. They're heavy bot left right now. Bot left of point.
Everyone who's in a quad group, you are going to team against these guys. They have all of their quads playing on point. If we don't do the same, they are going to win this.
Sacred
This is a
bottom.
very simple war. Either play on
I'm
point,
coming back. I'm going right to bottom. Right to my left of point.
you're a quad group healer. If your sacred is not on the point, it's in the wrong spot.
Shocking bottom right.
The only place that we need
Gotta grab
sacred
bottom
is
right.
on
Spinning.
point, and the only place that we need our quad group
Morano, he can die.
everybody needs to be playing on point.
Marina.
They are trying to just
Yeah, we need.
Sacred knot.
We got touch. We got touch on our quad.
I can't reach your grid.
I'm shocking this.
I'm Oppo.
Watch bottom. They're crashing bottom.
Ice is bottom.
Saving life, paying life.
Keep your feet on the edge of point. Leave the edge of the point. Leave the edge of the point. We're getting kills. There we go.
It's in respawn.
Big kills middle. There we go. We gotta finish these kills.
I had a back.
Everything I had was there.
Get kills on top, and then we're gonna sweep bottom. Get kills on top, and then we're gonna sweep bottom. Finish these kills on top.
10 seconds,
Kills on
10
top.
seconds.
There we go.
10 seconds respawn.
Point.
Shocking bottom right.
Clump top left.
Respawns now.
I'm on Leroy.
Respawns now. Play your lives. Don't take a long timer here.
I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna dead it. Spinning.
Sacred Leroy.
They're trying to crash. Watch out. Play your life.
I'm gonna go on our road, or their
We
road.
have decent control right
Yeah,
now.
they're
Decent
road
control right
probably.
now. Finish these kills.
I'm still gonna touch.
At this point.
I'm still gonna tiptoe on this bottom right. Kind of get
There
ticked
we go.
down.
We got good control.
Sacred Leroy.
Real. He's low. He's out.
DA knock. Can't reach your grid. DE in 2.
Bruce. You can die. Red. Good.
Sacred knock. Top right. I'm gonna skip a minute.
Leroy, you're muted. You're talking.
No shot I've been muted this whole time.
I'm grabbing this bottom club.
Alright.
Bottom left.
I'm with
Spinning.
you,
I'm
with you.
spinning.
Oh, my stuff.
Getting out. I'm shocking it.
Playing life for a second.
DE Leroy. Sacred Knot.
Alright, my Dedo's at 90. I got
Alright, so is
DE
mine.
Marina.
I just got mine.
Next clump. I got mine too.
There we go.
We can look for one.
Look at this bottom right. Look at this bottom right.
Bottom right, yeah.
Down. Now.
Alright, throwing
I'm
it.
deading.
Screen.
Spinning.
You're on point.
Nice kill right there. I'm shocking.
He died,
he's
good.
Dead.
Sacred Knot.
I'm on Mataro, bottom
My
point.
ice is top right.
Sacred Knot.
My blue
Mataro,
there
bottom
too.
point.
Yeah, I'm coming back. I'm
Orb,
coming back.
orb.
I'm in their
And
road
screen
right
on
now.
top right as well.
Yep.
Alright,
I'm shocking this.
DE Leroy.
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm swinging on it.
I'm in tune.
Rosa can
DE
die.
Marina.
We had 2 on grab.
Ooh. Shocking top right.
That's 50. Left side club.
Look,
Grabbing it.
look,
Grabbing it.
look at Little Pete on point. Healer. Top right.
Shocking it. Gotta get out. I'm out.
Sacred Knot. DE Knot.
I'm flattening for you.
Alright, I have my debt.
Shocking. We should get out of this. Dead's
Yeah.
at 80.
Look at Murphy. He's out. I'm still touching this bottom
Sacred
right.
Knot.
Shocking it.
DE Leroy.
My dead's up
My ice
now.
is spot right.
I have my debt too. I'm gonna debt this on top. Should've waited.
Moving.
Bot left is heavy. Watch out there crashing.
DE Knot. Leroy. Yeah.
Get out if you can.
I thought. My bad. I thought you said you were throwing.
Alright, I'm out.
Can't reach
Bot right
that
heavy
guy.
again.
Fire
They're crashing
save.
bot
You're
right.
good. I'm back on point. I'm back in our bottom.
Yeah, we need
I'm
to
coming
get
back
feet on
from
point.
spawn.
Or it's gonna be now.
I need you on point. Disruptors, I need you on point too. Disruptors are crashing left side of point. If you can help on left side.
We got a lot of low health bars top right.
Everybody left side.
DE
Alright,
Leroy.
top right. I'm grabbing top right. I'm grabbing top right.
Yeah.
Spinning.
Yep.
I'm shocking. Declump.
Orb.
They're top of point
Safe
is
bottom
free.
right. Safe bottom right if you can get here.
Top point is also free.
I'm heading bot left. Bot left is screen. Obliv,
Yep, the
orb
bot
there
left.
too.
I'm taking space bot left or bot right.
I'm
Sorry.
bot left point as well.
Next
Looks like
beach
top
legend
left.
that ties
Top
me.
left is heavy.
Screen.
My ice is gonna be top left.
My Dedo's up in about 2-3 seconds.
Okay, I just got my debt.
All right, let's look. He's calling for top left. He's doing top left. I'm throwing top left on his call.
Spinning. I'm
Yeah,
down.
I'm top. My orb is there. I couldn't get there myself.
Respawn in
Positive
2.
2. That was a good spawn.
Screen.
DE Marina.
I should have deaded. I was too low.
It looks like a good
We
one.
need to get everybody back on point. Everybody back on point.
I'll take the yelling from Tepper.
Everybody head in, and we're gonna do
Yeah, I
another.
mean,
spike
in
on
reality,
point
we-
here. We need to get another round of kills.
I'm going right to bottom and put feet on.
Yep.
Big
Grabbing
respawn
it.
we're having often.
Here we go.
Look at left side. I'm gonna grab left side real quick.
It's
huge.
10 seconds.
Throwing with you.
5
Spinning,
seconds. 5
spinning.
seconds.
I'm gonna shock it.
Sacred Knot.
Everybody fight right side of point. Right side of point.
Shocking.
Right side of point.
I was on the ground for
Can't
5
fucking
seconds.
get my
there.
shock off. Jesus Christ.
Yep. I was on the ground for like 5 seconds there. Top of point is free.
I can't get out of this. I can't get out.
DE Leroy.
Respawn 29.
Shocking top right. Top right's still free.
Disruptors need to crash. We need everybody on point. We need everybody on point right now. If we're gonna hold this. Everybody on
Connor
point.
on
Every single
point.
person on point. Every
You
You
single
just got
person on
horn
point.
too. Play aggressive.
DE Leroy.
Everybody commit. Everybody commit. Everybody commit.
I'm
You know, respawn.
deadoing. I'm just deadoing. Flat deadoing.
Sacred Leroy. DE
Screen.
Echo.
The blue.
DE Leroy.
My
Respawn in
ice.
5.
Leroy.
Thank you for keeping me alive through all that shit.
DE Leroy. Not out of it yet.
I'm saying I'm not out, but thank you. I'm dead.
Oh,
Going back.
okay. Interrupted.
It's all bad. It's all good.
DE Marina.
We cleared a lot top, but we got wiped.
The high end is dancing all around point. Like I haven't stood still yet. It's kind of insane. DE not?
Everybody get back
I'm trying.
No,
inside.
I'm trying to get out of this.
Well, you can get kills
Welcome,
out here.
BB.
Cool
I'm just
down.
gonna die here. I'm just gonna die here.
Yeah. At 3,
I'm going back. I'm going around for it.
1, spawns now.
I call it the next respawn. Respawn 25.
Everybody head back towards the gate. Everybody head back towards the gate.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Dead for a good like 6 seconds.
I know.
There's a lot more of them than us. There's a lot more of them than us. Hopefully everybody's getting inside the phone.
gonna get up and blow somewhere.
Get
I'm
inside,
trying to
get
just
ready,
buy
get
time
inside,
right
get
now.
ready.
Left siege
and we
parts
can
is about to be full.
just so they don't like.
Okay, we need to grab siege parts.
Respawn 5.
There's
gonna-
about 5 already headed back.
He's about to go down too.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass
He's
A
down.
just to make sure they don't walk in.
Okay, cool.
Alright, I just respawn.
Okay, great. Okay,
These
make sure
starting
you
to
got
get
good
hit,
amount
but
of
not
plant
really.
spots, so that if they take down our stations, you have plenty.
There's one group getting to D
Reminder,
right
we
now.
have 1 and 2 on B.
We
Alright,
have,
I have my-
we have one
4
group on
A
D right
gate.
now.
on this other side.
Yep.
Yeah, I see
We
them.
got 3
And
on
there
C
looks like there's
gate.
more
You're
coming.
still unmuted.
There's
They might be
another
heading
5
back
coming.
towards, actually.
Buy foods or whatever
you're
if you
good.
need it.
Okay,
least
everybody
15
get
going back
comfortable, everybody
gates.
get comfortable. This is going to be a good 14-minute fort fight. We're going to hold them
There's
out.
nobody C, nobody C.
C gate, group 3. Okay, I see them. They're there.
Alright, D's half. D's quarter.
Guys are trying to put fucking barrels in our shit. I'm jumping down with you
Yep,
guys.
head back D. Yep,
My ice is there.
I got the next dice.
Holy shit. The fuck?
I'm spinning on it, I'm checking it.
Get down here.
Coming up.
Watch out for abilities. Watch out for abilities. Don't take any big
Take
We're in.
Orb.
If you see your gate overloaded, call it out. We know if we've got an overload.
Consumed. They binds it.
Flame light.
Watch, they're deading, they're deading, they're deading.
E gate's hit again. Careful.
I'm
shocking
throwing,
this.
I'm throwing grab Dedo in the gate.
Just kill the healer.
Daddy's their healer. Daddy's their healer. He's half health.
E, I'm getting pressure from
Spinning.
behind.
Yeah, we need more pressure. We need to look towards point. We need to look towards the dirt. We need to look towards the dirt. Not point, but dirt.
Sacred knock.
Which one's healer?
Daddy's on top.
8 and 9. 8
E
and 9.
knock.
We need to get control of their healers. 8 and
Yeah.
9, control of their healers.
I'm shocking this. They're low, they're low, they're low.
This
Daddy
guy-
tried to drop. He didn't.
Goat. He's a goat. He's a goat. He baited me.
Trying to get back up on the thing.
Get these skills on point. Get these skills on
Can't
point.
reach you right now.
Alright, they,
He
I'm
dropped.
cornered.
He dropped in
I
the
got
back. Drop back gate.
yeah, they went out.
Down the stairs.
I'm just blowing horn for right side.
I'm
And I'm gonna
good.
drop down and fight.
There we go. We got decent control right now.
My ice is up there again.
Yeah, let us know when you need us on back
I
8.
need help on stage.
Find those healers.
Bringing a guy to you.
You could just drag the guys over here.
There we go.
I'm trying. I am not in the spot.
People coming.
Healer's
in.
walking in again. Healer's
Daddy.
walking in again.
Screen.
Yep.
Grabbing.
Might need to,
Sacred
Grabbing him.
knock.
Grabbing him. He's going back
He's
out.
out, he's out.
like, drop down presence over towards C.
Ebola, he can die.
Marina.
And if you guys get a chance to drop down on C side,
Thank you.
never mind.
Their healer's off. Their healer's off. Their healer's off.
They came in.
The E knock.
We're good.
Kill
Canvas
anybody who's
screen.
left inside.
He's iced in the door.
Alright, that's up stairs.
You might use
It looks like they came in from A.
Accurate.
Yeah.
DE
How are we doing
Marina.
on repairs? Can we get
Shocking this?
Please shot up getting like ear.
Sacred Marina. See no pressure there. DE accurate. Okay.
I'm gonna grab it.
DE accurate.
Screen.
I'm on stage, spinning.
Throwing
Orb.
shock for you.
All my stuff is there. Everything I got.
Super ham.
Control of it. We got control of it. We're gonna D-tick in here in a second.
Screen.
Daddy just came in.
Sapphire dead. Nice.
He's
He's
in hell. Healers in hell. They're healers in
Nice.
hell.
Super ham can die
Okay,
then.
we need a little bit more presence on point. We're gonna need the quad groups. We're gonna need quad groups to attack hell. Quad groups. We need pressure in hell. BGIG stay on your gate, but quad groups. We need to get
We're pressuring hell.
in hell right here on top of me. On me.
Smashed by BB. Spawns
Just
up.
let me know.
Okay, everybody from C. Everybody from
Can
C.
you get the
crash
gate up?
point. Everybody from C. Crash towards point. Clear out that dirt and crash towards point. We got C on that's right.
Spawns in now.
Sacred knock.
Spawns happening
That's
now.
coming. Yeah, that's perfect. I see you going. Perfect.
You guys clear.
It's getting up if possible.
Yeah, you should be clear to
We got,
To get up if you can.
Miranda was
Heading
low.
back.
Get the
Okay.
Miranda.
I'm gonna
Knock.
check
Don't
the gate
worry
up.
about him.
DE Leroy.
Alright. I can
Sacred
fight
knock.
again.
Seagate teams, let's get some more pressure towards point.
Yeah,
We need some more help
Knock.
on point to get these people
Yeah,
cleared off.
they're running in from A for free.
Let's get these people cleared off. Okay.
Okay. I'll pick the
Nah,
gate.
knock coming down to you from stairs.
Point is fucking great.
DE
Alright.
Leroy.
Group
Coming
7
back
on
up.
the drop
Team
downs.
knocks
Group
right
7 on the
here.
drop downs. We need a B drop down AC. Can give you one.
You're good.
with you.
He's up, he's up, he's up.
Talking to you.
Okay. After the spawns, we're gonna crash
there.
point in 5, 4, 3.
Pink Squidward, Super Ham, they're both on stage.
Right here.
Healer next to
Clear
our
out when
horns.
we
He
can.
just dropped down.
Sacred Leroy.
Right here. There we go.
I'm grabbing right under steps.
Hey, healer in hell.
We got control of the point. We got control
DE
of the point.
Marina.
Shocking Seb.
Good drop downs on me. Good drop downs on
Playing
me.
life. D knock.
Lots of healers.
Shocking
Sacred
Seb.
knock.
In the choke.
D knock.
If we can hit, yeah, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, they just have this group just chilling on top of our
D
stage.
accurate. Playing life.
Just swinging on our head.
Right now, we have 4 gates up right now.
Yeah,
We need to clear out this 4. We need to get
So
kills on point.
respawns are right
Everybody
now, but
turn
don't
towards
spawn in
point.
the back.
going-
Spawn in the
Turn towards
front.
point, get
Yeah,
kills in
they're
the
going in
dirt,
response.
in,
I'm about to
Spawn
die.
front
in
right.
hell.
Spawn front.
We need to kill every single
Their
person.
their kill squads are roaming around back to back.
Yeah,
They
just
cut
don't
a long
spawn.
spawn.
Alright, I'm trying,
We
Lena.
need to kill every single person. Kill every single person. If there's a healer alive in this 4, we need
Oh,
to kill
I'm down.
him.
They've got a free healer up top.
D-gate stairs. We got a big clump
Response
to kill.
23.
D dirt.
One healer in heaven is on stage.
Respawn 15.
Daddy, Seraphire are both in healers. Spawns up in 7.
Can you get C? Sagami, can you get C?
There's a healer in hell
I'm
still,
still loading screen.
right in front of you, Mer. Yeah,
I see it.
C-gate if you got it together. Okay, great.
Spears.
nice.
There
Dead.
we go. Get kills. They are resetting. Let's get
D
C-gate
accurate.
back up if we can. If they're doing a full reset, it's probably gonna be tough for a minute here. If you're a back gate,
They're
if
heavy
your back gate is
background
up,
parts.
Oh
don't
my
even
goodness,
leave your
there's a lot
VGIG
up
there
there.
until that's at least 50%.
Back gates, back
They're
shots.
heavy background parts right now.
Yeah, right side shop isn't. Look at A being as D's clear.
We should clear top D. We should clear top D
Yeah,
while
I'm
it's
with
out.
you,
We got a
Leroy.
lot of healers outside of B right now.
I'm coming up.
Respawn.
I'm repairing the shop right
1
now.
and 2, 1 and 2 player lives in the choke. 1 and 2
Sick.
player lives.
Sacred Leroy.
Yo, I'm getting blasted
Only
by
a few of them trickled in. Only a
BBs.
few of them
Fuck.
trickled in. We got good control.
I gotta grab on it.
Throwing grab also.
And not taking damage, so we should be good.
Jeez.
There's a bunch of them up top. There's a bunch of them up top above
Sacred
D. Up
Leroy.
top above D. Kill spots if we could get a little bit of pressure up top above D. We've got at least one group up there. But
I'm
Shocking
all of
this.
them.
Leroy.
A's back down. A's
Coming
back
up to you
down.
guys right now.
Sacred Leroy.
Who's my AVGIG? Is that who's disconnected? I heard was disconnected.
No.
Idos, he can die.
Yes,
Healer
they can
dropped
die
in
now. They
behind
can die
Daddy
now.
beside me.
Eboli, Ebola, Pink Squidward, he can die. Spinning.
Good job, good job.
Daddy jumped off.
Yeah, all of them.
Alright, dead.
We can probably look at A dirt.
I got a grab for it, but I don't have spin.
Same.
I'm gonna shock this on air and air.
Stream.
They got tons of
Uplift.
healers in the B choke right
And
now.
orb there.
We gotta get it dropped out as soon as we
I'm
can.
with you, Edwin, and dirt.
Sacred in the dirt.
Clump point. Crash this.
Sanguiniso, he can die.
Guido to die, yeah. He's damn, he's out.
Sagami, help with RC.
I'm shocking.
He can still die, he can still die.
Good.
Yeah,
He's out, he's out.
That's on stage.
See it if you can.
Playing life.
Let's probably get C-gate up if we can. It's wide open
Coming.
right now, it looks like.
We should
Alright.
look.
Getting kill kills on point.
We
got
can
control.
clear
We got
point a little
control.
bit
We
for
got
them
this, we got
also.
this.
I'm looking hell right now.
I'm on you.
Drop down to the end if you guys.
I got my debt. No grab yet. Grabbing 5.
I've
You
got
get a healer
no.
right here again.
Yep.
C-dirt, we're doing okay. C-dirt, we're doing okay.
I'm with you on this healer right here, Snarkle.
He's out. Why am I stuck? Alright.
We need that drop down B-gate.
Sacred knock.
If you guys can get back there.
They're deadwing
I'm
right
out.
here. In dirt.
Leroy.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab dead it. I got red bar, so I'm shocking it. I'm gonna go down.
D.
I'm good on
Sacred
too.
I have to
Leroy.
get out of that side.
Get up, so I got me.
It's
Quick
this
respawn.
It sounds like he needs one tick.
D accurate.
There we go. Okay, everybody.
I'm fighting on stairs down.
Look at E-Gate. E-Gate lost. They're coming in for free. There's no one on E-Gate.
Get these kills.
Coming back up on stage and clearing stage for you guys.
We got casters. We
Team
got casters
Marina.
on stage. We got casters on stage. Group 9, prior stage.
Where you at, Knock? I kind of lost you.
I just went down. I was trying to control E side a little bit because there was no one there. 15 respawn.
10 seconds respawn, 10 seconds.
Can't reach accurate.
Respawn at 5.
Our staircase is getting kind of fucked. Oh, I just pressed that over.
Respawn's now.
Sacred Leroy.
Respawns now. C
I'm
is
respawning
still
now.
up. C is still up. It's
Spawn
gonna take a minute
front.
to get
Spawn
it
front
down.
again.
Yeah, spawn front. I'm up.
Our stage is pretty.
Yeah, yeah.
D-stage and
Cluttered.
D-stairs,
We'll just take
D-stage
stage back
and
right now.
D-stairs. We need to get control
We're
of
good,
that.
we're
I'm gonna grab it right away. Grabbing it.
Ice is
Got
up there
support
right now.
coming in.
Grabbing.
Stream, stream. Uplift.
E Leroy.
Cleared
That's
that.
it.
Sacred Leroy.
Alright, they're out.
Pink squid.
Squidward,
Squidward on-
shocking.
Yep. I'm shocking pink again.
Yep, my ice is there.
Indigo.
He's dead. Nice.
Indigo is dead.
Daddy's low. Daddy healer low. They're dead.
Nice, good call.
I'm gonna try to help out B. Looks like they're heavy.
Yeah, I'm dropping I'm dropping what I got on B real quick.
I'm just gonna support. I'm pulling from the side. I scream. I'll live.
I'm hitting the choke.
I'm gonna put up my ice real quick. And then
I'm gonna hit a grab and choke real quick.
Looks like they're back on E gate.
Now I'm out.
I'm just gonna take a look at E gate.
Shocking.
Watch A. Watch A too. They're coming in.
E gate.
Yeah, there's a couple coming in
E
A.
gate.
Seraphine just
E-gate.
walked up, the healer. A's walking in free. A's walking in free.
He's walking in free.
Sacred's right here
Help
in
out
dirt.
A and stay on our side.
Yeah, same. Hey, Daddy just walked in. Daddy just walked in.
I see him.
Staircase,
Scream.
stairs.
He dodged. He's
He's
still
gonna grab. He's
holding
gonna
forward.
grab.
I'm cleansing and going.
He got out.
Daddy's going up.
He's plagued.
Mama, you're in main comms.
My bad.
Okay, we got decent control of Seagate. We got decent
Oh,
control.
he's got schizzos on him.
The seaside a little bit.
But they're dropping on a D gate.
Do we have any shot to get
Yeah.
A gate up while they're overloading the far side here? If we can get A gate up, that'll be awesome.
Sacred Leroy.
Daddy's
Seagate's
walking up
being
the front
overloaded,
stage.
Seagate's being overloaded. GK with a huge horn. Love that horn on Seagate side. GK. That was great.
Look at if we can.
Yeah.
I'm looking at A gate.
Yep.
Yeah,
Kill
man,
him,
I'm on
take
A,
it
so
out.
I'm gonna help support.
Spinning. They're all out. They're resetting.
My ice is
Nice,
very good.
nice. He's still half. We can probably look to.
He's down.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
let's
I
help
was gonna say
E.
we can help E.
We can't get this one.
They're overloading C. It looks like too.
Oh, yeah,
Player lives on C. Player lives on C.
I don't know if we rotate that far though.
Yeah.
No.
I think we help B then.
There we go. We got decent control.
Yeah. A looks good. I'm hitting choke.
Yeah. I've got grab debt. I know we haven't been lined up for it, but I got it now.
See Leroy.
They're trying to get one weak here. Watch out on C. Player lives on C.
Sacred.
Player lives on C. Do not take deaths here. Do not take deaths here. Player lives.
Sacred
Get out
rock.
of there, C. Get out of there, C.
Yeah, I'm looking at our side point dirt.
Win the fight.
D is quarter left with one guy.
They just all their ultimates and abilities. So we got.
I'm shocking point.
I'm in tombs. They advised it.
I have
They're
dead,
dead.
but
They're
no
dead.
grab.
We can grab this.
Sacred
I'll
Leroy.
have grab in 5.
D
They're
not.
trying to Zerg B. They're trying to Zerg B. We're gonna need.
Alright, he's going down.
I've got-
Just play your life, play scared of B.
Yeah.
Snarkle, healer, he's out.
Our gate's now down.
There's one guy there.
Yeah, it was just one.
Group 5, main gate C now. Group 5, main gate C.
Look at
Bot point.
yeah.
I got Poppy Flow healer right here on our dirt.
These guys.
It's going up. Daddy in our dirt again. He's going to our staircase.
Yeah, he's gonna fall and crash in 10 seconds. We're crashing point. Look at top.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab that.
There's 2 healers up here by me.
I need
D
heals.
Leroy.
Thank you.
D not.
I'm grabbing
Trying to get out.
I'm good.
Shocking top
long
point.
response. Long response.
I don't know if we have this.
Make sure you play your life here. Play your life. Do not
go
die, guys.
nuts.
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
Oh, that was
Trying.
a fucking great wipe, huh?
D
That
not.
was a fucking movie.
I'm so scared I can't get out.
Good job.
There we go.
Good job. That's great.
That wipe won us the game. I'm just throwing it out there.
Shot.
Sacred not.
Pink Squidward.
Save up those grab nets for their last push here. Save up those grab nets for the last push here.
One's still up
Save
in
up your abilities.
10.
Everybody get your abilities ready. I got hee. Living
Yeah, I'm just.
hee living for free in hell.
One's in 2. 1. Don't die.
I'm just trying to get my debt for this next push.
Again.
There we go. We got
Lane, I'm shocking for you.
Good control. 45 seconds left. We got good control.
Let's clear hell.
Yep. Working on it. I'm
My ice.
5 seconds away from debt. I have debt.
D Leroy.
I don't have dead, but I can still drive it.
They're gonna be Zerg with B, by the way.
Anything choke.
I got two. I got a healer back. I got two healers back on stage. Or healer back on stage.
Alright, I'm coming.
Yeah, I think. All right, we got this. Just look at point.
Yeah,
Look
we
at
gotta
top
not
point. Look at
clone.
top point. Top point. Grab
I'm
that right now.
Clear life, clear life.
Deadoing it.
My ice.
Knocking
Screen,
for you.
a blue.
Nice.
Orb. Everything's there.
A couple more
Pink
there.
squid with glow.
5 seconds left, 5 seconds left. Get kills,
Do you
get kills.
not?
Play your lives, guys.
Come on, here,
We
come
win
on.
this.
Yeah.
Just
Let them all die.
Good shit, guys.
good shit,
GG's,
guys.
everybody.
Good shit.
Goodness.
Oof.
Okay, I don't know if this is related to me just yelling for half an hour, but apparently 2 of my kids are awake, so I'm gonna go for a minute. But GG's, everybody. That was a good war.
That's funny.
We got some stuff to clean up in the field. We got to learn how to play against these guys with their heavy point clumping that they do. But that was a good defense.
Hey, thanks for the heals in the fort.
Yeah,
We'll be
all
doing
Good job,
more
guys.
of
Yeah,
VOD reviews
appreciate
tomorrow,
it.
probably.
Alright, guys. Y'all did
Appreciate
great.
y'all.
Yep,
was
yeah,
fun.
very
I
good
can't believe
shit.
these guys
very much. That was
These
definitely
guys
kind of
are
knocks them down a little
on
bit.
this server
Feels
now.
real good.
They were on
They
octaves.
cannot get our Cutlass Keys ghetto. This is
They're
prox
gonna go where they
territory. We
find
can't lose it
they're
for
gonna have the
him.
best content, you know.
Appreciate y'all showing up and showing out though. It was GG's.
That was a good
Great
war.
fucking war.
That was a great war.
Clay, hopefully that cleansed the palate a little bit for you.
Oh yeah, I needed that win, man.
Oh, Dev had 26.
Man, I wonder. I need to watch Spooky Witches VOD. Oh, I think that's May. That would add that up.